Jay Kippen? Sorry, but if you had seen him, he just looked so sad and lonely and miserable. He felt like his life had no purpose or meaning. Go on. I'm enjoying this. You had the whole school cheering your name. He had no one. Except my best friend. Which brings us back to, I'm sorry. I am a wretched waste of humanity.
Go Slayer.
Go Slayer. You were saying? Slayer? Present. You already got a nickname. That's right. But you didn't see me play, so you don't get to use it. Try and stop me. Behold, the Slayer, most valuable player. You must obey her. And pay for her taters. It would be my honor. I like that rhyme. I thought you might. Will you do it again? Certainly. Have the spoon, if you like. But this, you're the Slayer. Who is this?
Ninja Cow. Moo.
Walker?
Hey,
Walker!
I don't know if you remember me.
I just said your name.
I was a caricature artist at a bar mitzvah party.
I know.
Oh, okay. Just checking.
What?
Take care. Bye.
Walker! Are you kidding me? What was that?
Hey,
Hey!
what are you doing right now?
Disney Channel Go! Back to the show right after the break. Get ready, go! Yeah! Right now, with Disney Channel Go! All new, all summer long. This week, go do the Nay-Nay. And all new, whatever that is.
And here's my last one, guys.
Oh, yay!
It's not that good. It's like to it.
Wild, crazy, cool step in.
Down, hey!
Bug attacking. Hero sneezing. High-fiving. Old-timey. New shows.
So cool!
Start your day with Disney Channel. Something new every day, all summer long.
Really?
And dab. Are you the ultimate Nintendo family? Then get ready to show off your gaming skills. Disney Channel presents the Nintendo Switch Family Showdown Contest. You can enter for a chance to win a 3-day, 2-night trip to LA, where 4 families will go head-to-head playing Nintendo Switch games for even more prizes. Do you have what it takes to race, swing, play your way to victory? You'll even meet and team up with your favorite Disney Channel stars who will cheer you on. Don't forget to smile because you'll be seen on Disney Channel. To enter, make a video showing why you and your family are the ultimate Nintendo fans. And with your parents' permission, upload it to NintendoSwitchShowdown.com. The rules and more details. No purchase necessary. If you enter, 4 families will win. Let the game begin. Incredible adventures await you and your friends. When you team up and use your imagination to complete anything that comes your way. Incredibles is a proud sponsor of Disney Channel. Rated everyone 10 and up.
What's up, guys? I'm Jen Ortega, and this is my best weekend ever. I'm at Walt Disney World in 60 seconds. I'm 6 my ride, buddy. Here we go. So good. I'm scared that Yeti scared me. So awesome. Disney Springs has the cutest stuff. You can wear this. I'm kidding. I've always wanted to try matching my style with Disney style. We have Snow White and Grumpy. And it's always been a tradition to go see Mickey.
Whoa. Try it. Very cute.
And this one.
That was my best day at Disney World in 60 seconds. What's yours?
Disney Channel Go! Back to the show!
I don't know if you saw that.
Those smell amazing.
Roast cashews. They're so good. Well, I'm sorry, did you want some?
Well, yeah.
That's good, because I got you your own bed.
Time for stretch test.
So, are we heading somewhere, or are we just rambling? I'm fine with either, by the way.
I'm taking you to one of my favorite art galleries. It's my favorite because I have a painting there.
You have a painting
This
in
is
an art
pretty
gallery.
good.
Wow.
This one's
Manage your
pretty
expectations,
sketchy, and this
please.
is the one that I got today.
Almost there?
This one is the one
It's
that
right
I
there.
got yesterday.
You like it?
Wow.
The city has an office of art and culture. They made this an exhibition space for local artists. I didn't plan to get a wall.
And you did? Which one's yours?
See if you can figure it out.
This one's pretty sketchy. It's yellow time.
Can you tell which one is mine?
Oh. I know you did your shoes, which are awesome, by the way.
Thank you.
Just tell
This
me.
one's pretty sketchy.
I don't want to keep guessing wrong.
Is this one?
This one's tiny.
What do you think?
I think that you haven't painted anything on it yet.
Please tell me I'm right.
You're right.
Do you know what you're gonna paint?
No idea.
Is there some kind of deadline?
It's okay. Haha. Andy, look, I'm being serious. That's why I brought you here. I need your help.
Okay.
I'll lose this
I
space.
don't know.
Something
Okay. But this one.
I'm gonna say you're really good at this, but you're obviously kidding.
Okay, so we're gonna put this one right here. We're gonna put this one
And you're not kidding.
here. And this
You
one.
might want to put this on.
So we're gonna do the blue stretch test first.
Dude, you see it now, right? I don't have to teach you anything. It's already there. It's inside of you.
It's kind of crazy. I never knew I could do this. Now I want to do it all the time.
Okay, so we're gonna do
Give me
the
a
blue
teacher.
one,
A
and
real
then
one.
we're gonna cut it off.
I'm gonna send you to Sid.
Who said?
Best studio musician. Perfectionist. Very prickly. Difficult to work with.
He sounds fun.
Well, you guys should be better than everyone else, which makes her a great teacher. If she accepts you. She doesn't take a lot of students, so you'll have to audition.
Okay.
Don't worry, she's gonna love you. Yes, you're in it. 11 a.m. tomorrow.
Tomorrow? I'm not ready. I only know one song.
Oh, you can't play that song. She hates that song.
Do you want me to have another panic attack?
But you're not having one, I think I know why. Because deep down inside, you know you're ready. 11 a.m. Sure.
Now my battery's about to die. I
She wants to
can't
hear you
do
too late.
this. So I have to see tomorrow.
Our power works.
Bye.